Have you ever looked at your home and felt like something just feels a bit off? Everything's in place, the furniture and decor are complete, but the space still feels a bit tight and not quite right. Most of the time, it comes down to small design mistakes. Too many items, poor furniture scale, dark finishes, disconnected layouts, heavy upper cabinets, and undersized or poorly placed mirrors. So in this video, we'll go through 6 simple design changes that can instantly make your home feel bigger, lighter, and more open. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas at your space, we study what you really need, how you live, what problems you face, and what style fits you best. Then we create detailed 3D renders, so you can actually see how your space will look before making any big decisions. Every plan is made to look beautiful and built to work for you. So, are you ready to transform your space? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Design hack number 1, decluttering rules, TV wall. Your TV wall might look styled at first glance, but when you really look at it, it still feels busy and slightly overwhelming. You might notice that there are too many small items, vases, frames, a clock, and mixed decor pieces, each trying to get your attention at the same time. Because of this, your eyes keep jumping from one object to another instead of settling on a clear focal point, which makes the entire wall feel heavier and visually smaller than it actually is. The real mistake here is over-decorating with too many small pieces that break the visual flow instead of supporting it. So here's what works better. Start by removing most of the small decor items, since these tend to create visual clutter instead of adding impact. Keep 1 or 2 larger statement pieces like a single vase and allow the TV to remain the main focal point of the wall. Once you simplify the composition, the wall immediately feels calmer, more intentional, and more open. Instead of multiple competing elements, you now have one clear visual story, and that's what makes the space feel bigger. Design hack number 2, fewer but larger furniture. Your living area might already have everything you need, but somehow it still feels crowded and a bit tight when you move around. You might notice multiple seating pieces like 2 armchairs and a small coffee table, which technically fit the space, but visually break it into too many parts. Because of this, there are too many legs, edges, and interruptions in the visual flow, making the room feel more compact instead of open. The mistake here is relying on several small furniture pieces, instead of creating one strong anchor that organizes the space. So here's what works better. Instead of keeping multiple small items, remove the extra seating that isn't always necessary and simplify the layout. You can keep the main anchor piece like a 3-seater sofa, which helps define the space more clearly. Then pair it with one proper coffee table to create a strong and cohesive center. Once you reduce the number of pieces, the layout becomes easier to read and the floor opens up visually. Fewer elements with better proportion create a calmer structure, and that's what makes the space feel bigger. Design hack number 3, light wall colors. Your space might already receive a good amount of natural light, but it can still feel slightly heavy and enclosed. You might notice darker walls, deeper toned finishes, and a rug that absorbs more light than it reflects. Because of this, even with a large window, the space doesn't feel as open or airy as it could be. The mistake here is using darker tones on large surfaces, which tend to absorb light instead of bouncing it around the room. So here's what works better. Switch to lighter finishes, such as soft white, cream, or light neutral tones that help reflect natural light more effectively. You can also choose a lighter rug with a subtle pattern so it doesn't visually weigh down the floor area. Keeping surrounding surfaces bright allows light to move freely and evenly across the space. Once light starts reflecting instead of being absorbed, the room instantly feels more open, breathable, and expansive. And when light is able to travel across the space, that's when a room truly starts to feel bigger. Design hack number 4, visual flow between rooms, living plus dining. Your living and dining areas might both be well designed on their own, but together they can still feel slightly disconnected. You might notice that the sofa is oriented only toward the TV, while the dining area faces a different direction, making the two spaces feel separate instead of connected. There may also be differences in wall treatments or visual elements that unintentionally divide the zones rather than unify them. The mistake here is allowing layout, materials, and visual cues to break the flow between spaces instead of guiding the eye smoothly across them. So here's what works better. Start by using a larger area rug that extends across both the living and dining zones, or at least aligns them visually. This helps unify the spaces and removes the feeling of separation caused by smaller, isolated rugs. Next, keep the color palette and materials consistent, especially on walls and large surfaces, so both areas feel like part of one continuous environment instead of two different rooms. You can also simplify wall elements so they support the overall flow rather than compete with each other. Once the visual language becomes consistent, your eyes can move naturally from one space to another. Instead of feeling divided, the living and dining areas start to feel connected, cohesive, and more open, and that's what makes the entire space feel bigger. Design hack number 5. Reduce visual weight in upper cabinets. Your kitchen might already have enough storage, but it can still feel slightly heavy and closed in. You might notice that all the upper cabinets are fully closed, creating one continuous block above the counter. Because of this, your eyes read the entire upper section as one solid mass, which makes the space feel tighter and more compressed. The mistake here is keeping everything visually enclosed, even when the space already feels compact. So here's what works better. Instead of keeping all cabinets closed, introduce a small break in the layout by adding a vertical open niche or display section. This allows the cabinetry to feel lighter while still maintaining storage. You can enhance this further by adding warm LED strip lighting, which creates depth and highlights the space. A simple open niche or display shelf can already make a big difference without removing functionality. Once you break the solid cabinet line, the kitchen starts to feel more layered and visually breathable. Instead of one heavy block, you now create variation, depth, and lightness. And that's what makes the space feel bigger. Design hack number 6. Mirror placement that actually expands space. Your dining area might already have a mirror, but it still doesn't feel as open as it should. You might notice that the mirror is slightly undersized or not fully aligned with the table, which limits how much of the space it reflects. Because of this, the reflection feels minimal, and the wall still reads as a flat surface instead of something that expands the room. The mistake here is using a mirror that's too small or poorly positioned, so it doesn't maximize its full effect. So here's what works better. Use a larger mirror that properly matches the scale of your dining table, around 60 to 80% of the table width. This allows the mirror to capture more light, depth, and surrounding elements. Once the reflection expands, the wall no longer feels flat, the space starts to feel wider, brighter, and more connected. And when a mirror is used at the right size and position, it doesn't just decorate, it visually doubles your space. And once you apply all of these, the difference becomes clear. You can feel it the moment you step into the space, where everything feels lighter, more open, and easier to move through as each area flows naturally into the next. Nothing feels crowded anymore because every element has a clear purpose and works together instead of competing for attention. And that's what truly makes a space feel bigger. It's not about adding more, but about making smarter, more intentional design decisions. Your home deserves the same, but instead of guessing what furniture to buy or how to lay out your space, you can get a clear design plan first. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp. And you'll get a detailed 3D plan, furniture options, and a clear shopping guide. And don't forget to subscribe for more real home design.